Hello my pretties and welcome to the Wizard of Oz. Today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble my bubble bead lamp kit. Let's get started. So what we're going to need is a square vase of any size, it doesn't matter. We're also going to need a piece of plexiglass for the top. It's already perfectly cut to size, thankfully. Alright, we're also going to need a waterproof background. As you can see, a hole is punched there and you're going to find out why shortly. So we'll put that to the side. So our first step here is going to be building our LED light up lid. So we'll just place that in the middle there for now. And we'll take our LED light and we'll place it in the center. Get it perfectly centered. Okay, so the next step, we'll take our glue. And then we will put a line across the middle on the bottom of the LED light. Like that. And then we'll kind of spread it out all the way around. Like so. Perfect. The glue to the side. Alright, and then we'll place it down in the middle. Okay, so the next step we're going to do is take the air pump and the waterproof background and put it in the vase. So what you'll do is you'll take the hole that we punched in the bottom of the waterproof background and just slide it through like so. And then we're going to insert the 3 suction cups facing against the back of the vase. So we'll just slide it to the bottom there, and you want to have it kind of in the center and have your background facing, standing up like that. Okay, so once your background and your pump are secure in the vase, you're going to want to add your bubble beads. So let's do that. So that's just 1 cup. Alright, then we'll add our other cup here. Perfect. Alright, now our next step is to add our water. Okay, so we just need to add a little more water. Here we are. Okay, great. Now that the air pump is underwater, we can plug it in. Amazing. Now we're also going to add our LED light up lid. So all you have to do is just twist and turn.